Hey guys, we're up here at Pearson Park. Just waited about 5 minutes, maybe 8, to get satellites. I've never had to wait this long. Must be something with the new update. But anyway, I'm planning on doing some flying here, kind of get readjusted. I've got it down. We're ready to go. Let me see if you can see it in there. Yeah, you can see it. Anyway, we're going to get up and try a couple of the features and kind of go from there. So let's go ahead and get it up in the air. I done did all my pre-flight checks and everything. Go ahead and move it forward here a little bit. Move it back. Okay, now what I want to do is take it up, let it get a good look at take a look at where its landing pad is. Get a couple of pictures. We'll move it out here a little bit. And I did update over the air. I did not use the Assistant 2. So I'm not sure whether or not everything came through properly. We'll find out here pretty soon. I know it's cold out here. It's 22 degrees with a light wind of about 5 to 7 miles an hour. It's enough to chill you to the bone, that's for sure. Okay, let's see what we got here. Look at quick shots. We'll do a rocket. That'll be good. And we'll just go ahead and put it on me.
3, 2, 1.
And here we go. I've never used automated flight. I've always just did it manually. Okay, I guess it's coming back. I'm not real familiar with what we do here. And there she is. She's right back. Okay, I need to do a screen recording if I can get that on the map. There we go. Do a screen recording. And we'll bring that gimbal down some. We'll stop. I don't know what it was doing, but I stopped it and it's not stopping. Let's get out of quick shots real quick. I want to know what's going on here. There we go. Like I said, I'm not real familiar with the automated flights. Let's see. Now I do like Asteroid. We'll do an asteroid is what we'll do. Okay. An asteroid, and we will draw a box around me. And let me get out of the camera way here.
3, 2, 1.
And here we go. It's pretty neat. I've used Asteroid before, but I haven't used the other ones. So I'm not real sure what they do. But I'm going to wait for a warmer day to try those out. I do want to do some manual flights here because I haven't flown for a while. Let that return. Now let's see, we got we're good. We can do a circle. We'll do it around the car this time.
Three, two, one.
Do it right around the car. Make sure that we're clear. Oh, that's slick. All right. Well, that's that. Let's go back into the video. I did a couple of those. Man, my hands are freezing. We'll go down by the lake here. Go ahead and turn this thing around here. Let's start recording. Turn it around. Raise that up. $125. We'll just go down this way real quick and then we're going to wrap it up because my hands have just about had enough. Then I'm going to do a return to home. See if we get a precision return to home. See if there's anybody down there at the skate park. And we can use a zoom on this. Try that zoom out. Oh, it's not going to let me. Yeah, it is. It's going to let me zoom. This is a 2x digital zoom. That's good. Let's stop this. Let's go into Explorer mode. Restart our. Then we can zoom in on here. Oh man. Yeah, there's nobody down there skating today. It's too cold. And we'll do a return to home and bring it back. Do it on the app.
Go home.
Step back here and let it do its thing. There it is. It's above us.
Landing.
Orientating itself. Down it comes. And it's gonna miss it. Well, maybe not. How about that? Right on the pad. Can't beat that, and that's a small pad too. But anyway, guys, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, consider subscribing. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up on it. I'd appreciate it. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye.